Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, August 15, 2021. Today's video is about Le Juif polonais. Le Juif polonais, the Polish Jew, is an opera in 3 acts by Camille Erlanger composed to a French libretto by Henri Caïn. This poster, which advertised the opera's 1900 premiere at the Opéra-Comique in Paris, depicts the innkeeper Mathias, on the occasion of his daughter's wedding, remembering the Jew he had murdered 15 years earlier. In the 3rd act, he dreams that he is being tried for the murder, he confesses to the attack and admits to the disposal of the body, and dies of a heart attack. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.